Welcome to our video tutorial about the program Optalix. What we're going to look at is how to optimize an optical system. In our case, the system eye spectacle lens. Therefore, we need an eye. We allowed us to prepare an eye in advance. It is based on the Goldstrand eye model. If you want to have the data, just press the pause button now. And that's what it looks like. We made the eye, for our example, approximately 5 dioptries hyperopic. You can see it here on the retina. We haven't got a nice focal point, which you can also see here in the spot diagram. It is obvious that we don't have a nice depiction. What we're going to do next is to correct the eye. Therefore, we need a spectacle lens. We try to imitate a pre-made stock lens. So we add two surfaces. We pre-calculated the data too. So we have 52 mm radius for the first surface, 90 for the second one, 5 mm for the thickness, and 12 mm for the distance between lens and eye. For the refractive index, we take 1.6, so we tip 600/420. The diameter of the lens shall be 60 mm, so we tip 30 and 30. And that's how the lens looks like. And there we go. We have a nice focal point on the retina. You can see it here on the spot diagram too. Let's change the scale to 0.05 mm so we can see it better, and yeah, a wonderful pattern. Now we would like to optimize the lens, but how can we do it? One way is to optimize a surface. So we'll show you how to optimize a surface here in Optalix. So we're going to optimize the first surface, so just click on the button VAR, and there you can optimize the radius, thickness, distances, etc. We select the radius from the front surface, which is number 2. Then we tip SPD, click on Apply, and then Optimize. And now the program calculates everything. You can see the changed radius here on the editor. The little V just right beside shows you that this value has been calculated. And let's see the picture. Now the front surface is a bit more curved than before, but we have a better focal point here on the retina, which is also proven by the spot diagram. So what we have here is a pre-made stock lens with an optimized front surface, but it is still thick and not that aesthetic as it could be. What we want is a nice, thin and flat lens, so we need a new lens. We allowed us to prepare such a lens in advance. And there we are. What did we change? We made the lens thinner by increasing the refractive index up to 1.74, and therefore we also needed to change the radii. And here you are. This is our nice thin spectacle lens. Here on the spot diagram you can see that we have a nice depiction on the retina. Just change the scale to the one we had before and you can see it even better. But can we go further and optimize the system even more? Let's try it by making the surfaces aspheric. We'll show you how to do it. First, we have to change the surfaces here from S like spheric to A like aspheric. Click on Asphere and tip a random number here in the column K. Like here, -3 and 2 in this line. Then again we click on VAR. You can't optimize both surfaces at once. The program has troubles calculating both surfaces together. So click on K for the first surface on number 2, then press again Apply and Optimize. Now you can see the changed value here and also the changed radius here. You can see it too on the picture that the front surface is flatter than before. And so we optimize the back surface just as we did before with the front surface. Click on K, then Apply and Optimize. And then again we can say the changed value here and the different radius. On the picture we can see the nicely flattened back surface. And also the spot diagram shows us a wonderful depiction. And there we are, we got a nice thin aesthetic and biospheric spectacle lens. We're already at the end of our video. We hope you know now how to optimize things in Optalix. If you liked it, just give us your thumbs up, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment right below. Take care and bye!